For those of you that are having trouble with figuring out how to complete the discussion, let me walk you through that. In your content, or when you click on your discussion, you actually have to go look at more of the content prior to. Right here is the actual discussion, but clicking on that doesn't do anything for you. You have to go to the piece before it, because the idea is that you work through every single one of these modules. That's how you're supposed to be doing your course. So when you click on this extension piece, this is going to give you the actual writing prompt for your discussion. You get to choose if you're going to write about A or if you're going to write about B. To figure out what it is, you need to click on choice A, and there's the instructions. Or you need to click on choice B, and there are your instructions. Then, after you have made your selection, that is when you can go through to your actual discussion and make a post.